Okay, welcome to 2022 Ordinary Level DCG exam. Right, we can read our intro there. Okay, we've got an elevation and an incomplete plan. Alright, okay, part A is to draw the given elevation, so our elevation here, and the incomplete plan. So this at the moment here, the plan view when it's incomplete. So that's part A. Then part C, part B will be to draw the plan view showing all the lines of interpenetration. So I'll show you here now. So to draw these lines here, to draw them, alright? And here's what it's looking like in plan view. Now just note, that little break in the angle between the 2 points here. You can see the way there's a little break there, so just note that for our plan view how it's going to be. We can really leave this line until we look at part C of the question, drawn end view. Right, so I'll get cracking there. Alright, so I'm going to draw in my elevation. So I'll have my XY line in here. Okay, now the elevation there, the total length if you look in plan view is 195. It's 195. Okay, so there we go. Okay, that's the length of it outlined. Right, the height there, the total height if we look at our question, 55. Okay, we want to get cracking at this. You want to be doing fast at it in the exam. Okay, now just give us 1 sec there. I need to get a 4H pencil. So 55 in height, and you could mark up as well 40 there as well on the height and 25. So look, there's where the 25 is coming from, and there's where the 40 is coming from, and then 45 as well. Okay, so then we're drawing that in. And bring this across, so I can mark these across lightly before we heavy in the detail in it. Now I can mark the distances going across the bottom. So for the elevation, 40 millimeters, 15, 20, 45, and 40 then. So 45 there, the 20, and there we go. And the total that should be, so the 40, 15, 20 and 45 together should equal 120. Now we can draw our light lines up. Okay, nice and light there. Right, I'll start heavying in some lines there. So my compass here, to my radius 40. Right, now, there, I'm ready to do my 15 here. Excuse me. So I'm going to I'm going to join these 2 points here together, heavy them in. So straight line across there. And then I can connect this together. So that's the elevation of the blue body complete there. The elevation of the blue body complete, as you see there. Now, do the yellow body next. Alright, so the yellow body was up 45 and it goes out to this line here, and then it's going to be sloped downwards, hitting our 25 line. So it's going out to there. Now it's going for slope here, and then it changes again. So you can see there, it's not one straight line, there's two lines in it. So that's the yellow body done in elevation. Now we need to draw the incomplete plan view of it. Okay, so we're going to project our lines downwards. So I'm projecting my lines down from elevation. Now I can go down 10 millimeters. Okay, I can draw a line across there. Now the total depth of my plan is 90 millimeters. So in plan view, the blue body is 90 mil wide. There, I'll move the visualizer down. It's 90 mil wide. Okay, I'd line across here. Now I'll get my center line. 45 millimeters. Now start heavying in detail in the plan view. So these lines project, these three lines of plan project as points there in elevation. Now, okay, 20 in then as well for the ends of the blue parts in plan, just where it meets the yellow body. So for that line there and that one. Now we'll start moving on to part B. Complete the plan. Okay, showing all lines of interpenetration. So start by getting that line there. Okay, this one and the one the far side of it. Right, so if I look at this here, 50, a little portion of the end view. Okay, that's my answer to figuring out how far up and down from the center I'm going to go. So I'm going to go 25 up and down. And then I can draw this all the way back to here. See, you'll notice they meet bang on. Now, these two, okay, pink lines on your exam sheet are represented up here by this 20. They're 20 mil apart in that little, okay, cross-sectional detail. So I'm going to step up 10 from the center line and 10 down from the center line. Okay, I'm going to go draw light lines across there. And then I'm going to drop that point view of the yellow, that bit there, in elevation that projects as point down from elevation to plan. I'm going to heavy that in then. Right, I can connect these together now. I can connect these together. Right, okay, now I still have, okay, more to do. So I can drop this line down now, which is already done. I can heavy it in. So now I've got that face done. I have two faces left. Alright, the best way to get them is to start constructing your end elevation. Okay, and do the little cross-sectional outline in your end elevation first. Get these. So I'm going to draw an end elevation looking that way. So 45-degree line. Okay, so I'm going to bring the points in the yellow body across and up. So I'll continue on my XY line now. And I'll bring over my center too. This is very, very handy. Now I'll bring over the cross-sectional outline first. So our cross-section was 40, remember it was 45 high, okay, and 50 wide at the bottom. So it's joining, this is it here. And end elevation. Now, so that on the sheet, these little grey bodies, okay, on the question, or on the model, those two yellow ones there in end elevation. There. No, this presses the whole lot there. Right, now, so I'm going to get this line there in our end elevation, and that's going to help us get it in plan. Look, so that line there that we're on about, it's going across there, projects as a point in elevation. So if I just bring it across, I can heavy it in. Now, to get that in plan, I can just bring this back down and across from end elevation towards the plan view, and I can just, where it intersects that point coming down from elevation, that's its position in plan. And it's going to be the same the other side. Look, I'm going to drop it down, across, and that's its position in, okay, our plan view. Now I can join them together. So there's my plan view complete. Okay, then I'm ready to complete my elevation. So I'll project them over and up. Remember, the blue body is 90 in width, and the total height of the blue body is 55. So the yellow is done there, and there's something I was going to do. Just join that line down further. Now, I have a heavy line here. Heavy line in the sides, and there's some hidden detail. It's the ramp is going to be the semi circle here, or sorry, quarter circle. Alright, that point there on it is going, which represents this line here in plan. That's going to be a hidden detail line in end elevation. So there's a hidden detail line here, and that's going all the way through the object. right? There's that hidden detail line that represents the ramp. You can see it there as I move it around. Alright, that's it done. Cheers, thank you.